everybody, my name is Rob Anderson. We're here on the Las Vegas Strip today, and I just met Mauricio and Estefania, and they came all the way from Mexico. So we've got to show them a little bit of street magic. Yes, yes, sir. Here we go. They already told me they're a couple. They've been together for 2 years, actually. So I thought it'd be fitting to do a little bit of romantic magic for the two of you as a couple, okay?
All right.
Because 2 years ago, you met and you went on some of your first dates, started to fall in love. Remember those first dates? Pretty good first dates, yeah? I want to take you back to those first dates with our first trick. So, Mauricio, could you hold your right hand out just like this? Maybe you held hands on those dates. Stefania, could you take your hand and go like this? Perfect. I'm going to use a card for this trick. We're actually going to use, we will use the 3 of clubs for this trick right here. I am going to hand the 3 of clubs. Hold your hand flat. I'm going to hand that to you. Hold it flat. Don't let it move. Don't let it move. Stefania, come on over here with your hand. Place it on top so it doesn't blow away. Perfect. Now maybe you felt some love on those first dates. You're going to feel some love today. You're going to feel this actually too here. We've got the 7 of hearts, which is better for you. It represents love. It's good to talk about love today. You felt some love on those dates. Did you feel that there? Yes? Did you feel that there?
Yeah.
Did you feel that? Look what you have. Oh, the hearts. They're in love. They should have the hearts. It's a good couple. Oh, thank you. Thank you. It's a little card trick. Let's do another one. Let's do another one. I made a prediction. I made a prediction before I came out here about meeting a compatible couple. You two seem very compatible. I think this is going to go great. These are queens. I did something special with the queens. I predicted in advance what you two are about to do. This is all about your compatibility here. I don't want you to think this is sleight of hand though. Estefania, could you cup your hand like mine is just so you can hold these just like that? Don't let them move. Freeze just like that. You're holding queens. Again, something special is done with them. In a second, I'll show you. Again, 2-part trick. You're first. Mauricio just shows hearts and diamonds, the red cards there. Estefania, do you want the heart or the diamond?
The heart.
The hearts over the diamonds. Love over money. She's a keeper. That's good. She's a keeper. Look, I predicted 1 card. You chose hearts. I thought we would need hearts, so I turned the hearts face up. In that deck of cards there, I took it from a totally different deck of cards. That's how sure I was that you two would agree on that. And I knew we would need that card, and I knew we actually would not need any of the other cards at all. That's the only one we had for a compatible couple here. Very compatible, very good couple. Thank you, thank you. Grand finale. Let's do a grand finale for you two here. And this involves you. You're going to help me out, Estefania. I would like you to think of any happy memory you have shared with Mauricio. Could be anything. I'm not going to guess it or say what it is. Just think about this happy memory, where you were, what you were doing, and specifically the time. Visualize a clock going from 1 to 12 o'clock and focus on the number that is closest to the time when this memory happened. 1 through 12. So you should just have a number 1 through 12 locked in your mind right now. 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock. Again, with 12 right there, 1 through 12 on our clock there. I know you were thinking of one of the times on this clock. I've got to figure out what it is. I'm going to read your mind. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. I'm kidding. I'm not. That doesn't do it. No, a little bit of psychology, because I have an idea. First of all, I'm going to eliminate some cards. I know this is either a low or a high number, low or high.
I say that.
Oh, no, just think. I know it's a high card. It's not a low card. It's not 1 through 6, is it? I'm going to eliminate these cards, correct?
Okay.
That was easy. That was a 50-50 shot. Very easy. I have to make this a little more difficult, though, because this memory with Mauricio happened 7, 8, 9, 10, or 11, or 12 o'clock. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, or 12. It's not 12, correct?
Correct.
Okay, we know this is either 7, 8, 9, 10, or 11. I'm going to commit to this. 10 or 11. This time, this memory happened at, you're thinking of 10. Yes? She's thinking of 10 o'clock. We don't need any of these cards. Only this card is important. This concludes the show. As we leave here, let him know what that memory was. As I leave this card with you, I'm going to leave this card with you. That's a special card. Mauricio, when you're ready, would you please show that special card to Estefania, please? Hey, it's Rob, and I wanted to let you know that our DIY proposal kits, they contain every romantic thing you need to stage your own proposal. They're now shipping at magicalproposals.com. Go check them out.